Explosion cereal! No! John, you kidding? Okay. Oh, I know. Explosion cereal.
Oh. Explosion cereal? Never heard of it.
It's good.
Huh. I'll try it.
Oh, good, huh?
Yeah.
Looks a little like it's tasty.
Yeah.
My mom bought her for me, right?
Huh.
ShopRite?
This is good.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta get milk.
All right. Hurry up.
Tastes pretty good dry, though.
Oh, yeah.
Mom, where's the milk? I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
Oh, no.
Explosion cereal!
What a real blast that was.
Blast. Fast.
This cereal's great.
If you act now, you can win big. If you enter new Gold Bricks Explosion sweepstakes, every 100 bucks has a winning number in it.